Howdy, my name is Jason with J-Pong Glass Company. My partner and I bought J-Pong Glass Company back in 2008. One of the things that has stained us in business and kept us here and really kept our contractors happy with us is that we do have the longevity in this business. We've been here a long time. The company was actually started in 1976. And you know what's unique about us is that since 1976 till today, you can call 214-349-1400 and you can reach a J-Pong Glass employee. Oh, that's another thing our contractors like. We have real employees. All of our employees are W-2. They work for us. They're on our payroll. They're not 1099 contractors. And when the largest contractors in the Metroplex need a company to come do all their showers, they call J-Pong Glass. We just finished a project that had over 400 showers in it. We have done literally thousands of showers in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and we stand behind our work. We're here, we're available, and that's the kind of people you want doing your work for you. You know what? The cheapest is not always the best, okay? I don't compete to be the lowest priced person out there. We compete to be the best. We have the insurance. We have the building. We have the W-2 employees. We do the background checks. We do the drug test. My employees are here to serve you, and we're here to do quality work. And if you have an issue, we'll be here to support it. Have a blessed weekend.